Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the Board Grand channel. And today, just want to talk to one of you a few. You know, I'm going on my phone. I'ma say a video I made actually I make when me in America when me there in Maryland. I say without the rain in your life, there will be no flowers. And remember, I try to put that video there together. After I done do the video and edit the video, I can't find nothing for the video. You know, I mean, when I say that, it's like, I say the writings to the video, and me hear the rhythm I play, but I can't see the actual video. You know, neither the words when me did utter. So, I go through, book up on it, and I decide to come back, come share upon it. Yeah, without the rain in your life, there will be no flowers. Because oftentimes, we cause too much rain. You know, the rain is a problem, the rain is a bother. The rain has caused too much muck. Water run through your house a leak, and everything may understand that. But at the same time, when God give you the sun, we cuss, we complain. The sun to what? The sun a touch ground. We are melt. You know? We confused, we don't know what we want. And with all that said, may I say without the rain, there will be no flowers. So count your blessings one by one. Sometime coffee, sometime tea. The good Lord know exactly how much He give we. He not giving nothing more than what we can bear. So if the rain a pour, consider it your blessings. A whole heap of people want to see the rain, and now you will get the rain. Give God thanks it. At days, whole heap of people has to be a sunshine. Them a ball, the sun hot out there. The sun a touch ground upon them. And they want the rain. And the rain no come when them want it. And you get the rain. Appreciate the rain. The rain are going to bring about a change in your life. It are going to bring about transformation in your life. It are going to carry to greater heights. Remember, if there be no test, there be no testimonies. The reason you get the rain is because you're blessing them out. The rain are going to bring about purification. It are going to bring about the beauty in the land. You're going to see greener herbs. You're going to see the true meaning of prosperity. Whole heap of things what they about for dead. Nah, but I did. The rain I bring about the change. Appreciate the rain in your life. The rain come but just our season. Appreciate it. I'm out.